Oh, hello, Steve. You want to be on this video too, don't you? He's hiding. He's hiding. So it's another week. It's our Sunday morning or afternoon or evening video. Got a tip which we've sort of gone through before, but we're going to go over it again. Another little pointer that we found out on Friday's video. So if you didn't see Friday's video, just something, a little hack, a little cheat. I've probably been slated in the comments for it, but let's get on with the video. Let's see what's going on. Let's see what is new in and what has been going on. So we mentioned on Friday's video, July it worked out all right in the end. It wasn't as bad as it seemed like it was going to be. So we've got a fair few sold again, so time to get a fair few more vans back in again. So we're looking for stuff. We've got a cracking, a really nice Deathless that we've just took in part exchange on a Caravan over at Gailey, so that's going to be coming in. Something really funky. I'm not going to show any or give any hints or anything like that at the minute, but yeah, you're going to like this. I think it might be a Marmite van, but it might not be. I really like it, so that is going to be something interesting coming over in couple of weeks time, so we'll have a good we'll probably do a good review video on that. This is the Eldest Chatsworth 636 2017 at 19,995. Nice family van. We missed this out on Friday's video. We'd looked at a few other family vans and I sort of said that family vans are just picking up. What we're going to be looking at, our little tip today again, is we're sort of halfway through the season now, and there's a good chance that we might be getting black bits starting to formulate in our flush on our toilet. Now, we've done this before. We've said about to get the little black bits out of the flush, what you need to really do is diluted bleach, so a 10% mix of bleach in your flush. But even better, that apparently works, I've not tried it myself, but apparently it works, PuriClean. So what you normally flush your water system through with, so what you tend to do is, beginning part of the season, fill your Akrol with water and put a little bit of PuriClean in your water, in the Akrol. Let it sit in there for a good hour or so, just sort of rinse it around your Akrol, and that's going to sort of clean your Akrol. Pump it through the system, let it sit in the water pipes for, again, a good couple of hours. Just read the tin of the PuriClean and that'll tell you exactly how long to keep it in the water system for. And then you're going to need to drain the water system down, fill it back with water, just clean water, and then flush that through the system a couple of times. Let it sit in there with the clean water for, again, a good hour or so, and then flush that water system completely through. And if you're using the PuriClean, let's do it on the cassette toilet as well. So let's just mix up probably some of the water that has gone through the system. So if you're running it through the tap, fill your bowl up, fill up your flush water system, leave it in there again for a good couple of hours, and then flush it all through that system. And again, if you're using the pink chemical in your flush, it is going to start, by now, it is going to start creating the little black bits in the flush tank. So a good time, a really good time. We're halfway through the season. Let's just stop the black bits in the tracks and stop it coming through. And again, it's a good time, again, just to flush our main water system through. So if you use the van over Easter and you've used it in between, and then the caravan's been away, the weather's been rubbish, hasn't it, this last few weeks? So let's get it through the system. Let's get it all through that system and flush that through. So a really good time just to do both of those. Lovely little Swift Challenger 460 on the cheaper end. I'm going to have a look at a couple of the cheaper vans that we've got in. So little two berth, this one with the L-shaped layout at the front. It's 1291, so just under 1300 kilograms. Look at that kitchen. Huge amounts of workspace, nice storage all the way around, massive. Have a look at the size of these wardrobes. That is huge. Without the carpets in, there's loads of space in there. So again, somebody's put like a tiled floor down, but you could put those take those up, put a lino down, and then the carpets are there. Or if you wanted to use the proper carpets through the winter, it just gives you that option. And then hidden at the back, we've got our separate shower and toilet. So again, a good separate shower and toilet if the washroom wasn't full of awning. Again, that awning comes with it. So nice little 2-berth. Again, it's been flipped on its head. The complete market has flipped on its head, whereas sort of last year we couldn't really sell the 2-berths. 2-berths are now quite busy. Family vans had slowed down, but it seems like they're picking back up again. It seems like, I think kids have broken up, families are getting back into it again, and it's starting to really show with the interest that we're getting at the minute. So I'm quite confident on the 2-berth, or the 2-berth and the family vans at the minute. We showed you on Friday's video, and it might not, I don't know whether it's still going to be available. We're going to take a chance and we'll have another look in the little pageant. Oh, there's somebody in there again. There's somebody else looking in there again. If you didn't see it, that little pageant, it's on Friday's video. It's 6995 2006. What a cracking family caravan. If you are looking at getting into the market, I don't think you're going to find anything better than that little pageant that's over there. So give us a call, because it might have actually gone. Have a look on the website, thecaravanplace.com. We should have got it onto the website by Sunday. But as I say, it might possibly have gone. The way things have picked back up again, it seems like I don't think that's going to be there, so we'll see. But you never know. Things have been, one week it's gone absolutely ballistic, and then the one next week it's gone dead. So it could be that it's gone dead again, but it might be really busy, and I'm sort of on the side of that. I think that's going to have gone. I've rabbited on enough. Hopefully, again, it's a bit of a manic video, because I'm just struggling for time still at the minute. I'm still videoing myself, but hopefully it's not been too bad. Hopefully there's been a couple of tips there that have helped you out and are working, and are good tips to do if you're due to go away on the kids' holiday now. A good time just to do those and flush the systems through, and make sure that you're not going to get any black bits coming through the system. Thanks for watching. We will see. I think we've got a couple more review videos that we're going to be doing over this next week. Don't forget to have a look at our Facebook page of the new marketplace. Head over to the Caravan Place at Facebook, and you'll be able to find our new marketplace over there if you've not already seen that. And that's about it. We will see you next week. Thanks for watching. I'm Mark at the Caravan Place.